Howdy folks, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna assemble a toy box for the grandkids for our spare room to keep all their toys out of here. Let's start off by opening this thing up. It says do not use a knife, so we're gonna use a knife. We just won't use a knife to cut down that way. We don't want to scratch anything if there was anything there. There's foam there anyway. It would have been fine. Got one of these to put all their toys in for when they're over here. Here's all the hardware. Get all this foam out of here. Assume that's the bottom. And put that right there. There's our directions right there. I'll leave a link in the description of the product, so if you guys want one, you guys can use my affiliate link for it. Oh, this foam. At least they packaged it decent. So there's a good chance it's not damaged, at least. More foam. We'll build it right here on this cardboard. Anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll leave a link to the toy chest in the description of this video in case you guys want to pick one up. You could use it for other stuff too, you know. You could use it for like a sitting bench by your front door. Use it to hold blankets or something. I mean, it's pretty big. But anyways, if you like this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.